Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to sign up for Kwik Trip Rewards. To sign up for Kwik Trip Rewards, there are a few options. You can go ahead and sign up for Kwik Trip Reward in person by visiting any Kwik Trip store and pick up your Kwik Trip Reward card. Register your card by creating an account using the 16-digit code on the card. Another method is by online method. So in order to do that, first of all, open a web browser and type in kwikrewards.com and search. Now you'll end up in this page from where you can simply go ahead and select the Kwik Rewards option and click on sign up. If you have a rewards card, click on yes. If not, click on not yet. Click on continue once making a selection. Now on the next page, enter a valid email address you have an access to. Click on continue once entering. Confirm the email on the next page, which means you'll need to re-enter the email once again. Right after that, create a password for your account. This password will be used while logging into your Kwik Rewards account next time. After creating a password, confirm the password by re-entering it again on the next field. After you are done with everything, click on create account. Now after you do that, you will be able to create an account for yourself. Now the next thing to do is to create a profile for yourself. Go ahead and select every details that is needed on the text boxes. Enter your first name, your date of birth, phone number, your country of residence, your address information, and so on. And after doing that, select in the check boxes if you'd like to receive alcohol-related offers, tobacco-related offers. If you don't want to receive them, you can simply leave the box unchecked and click on this I accept option at the bottom. Finally, click on create profile and you will be able to create a new account as well as your profile successfully. Kwik Trip Rewards is a program designed to enhance your experience at Kwik Trip convenience store. After you sign up and create an account for yourself, you can visit and unlock rewards. Each visit counts towards discount on fuel, food, and other in-store items. Accumulate visits by swiping your Kwik Reward card during purchases. When you reach a certain number of visits, you can redeem your reward like discounted fuel for free food items. So that is how you will be able to sign up for a Kwik Trip Reward. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.